guys, how you doing? Are you ready to do a poured painting with me? Anyways, I almost started this painting video without mixing up enough color. I'm getting near the end, and I painted a few other ones, and so I want to use up all the leftover paints. And I was all ready to start, and I realized, oh crap, I don't think there's enough. So, but now I think there is. I put together an extra blue, so we're gonna keep our fingers crossed. I want to use this pink, and sometimes when I have a little bit left over, instead of dumping it out, I'll save it for the next time. And I don't know what wrong with this one, but it's lumpy, and I had it all planned out, and I'm out of pink, so I had to have a big change of plans. So it is time to get started. All right. This time I'm going to use something for the corners, kind of big bit of work. Oh, that way I won't lose so much paint. Okay, and let's start. All right, because I've been painting, I'm using a leftover cup. It's got a lot of dark colors in there. Mainly black though. Oh, wait a minute. I set this on there to set this on. Okay. So, paint all over my hands already. Oh, sugar. Kind of think I'm just going to put all my blues near each other. Oof. All these, all my paints are different variations of Liquidtex mixed together to create most all of them. I've added something to it, like, you know, these greens are a little blue because I'm running really low. Let's put a little yellow in there. And that might be okay. It looked like it was going to plop, and it is. I'm going to have just a quick touch of water. There we go. Hopefully that's okay. It was just a couple drops. I don't know if you saw that. Just a couple drops, and it'll make a big difference. Let's use this up. All right. Let's put the orange in now. I'm going to hold this one up high a little bit, let it, it wants kind of thick, so it wants to stay on the top. Sometimes I'll hold them up real high when I want to see them kind of like dive down. Dive to the bottom. So we'll do that with this one. There we go. And some set on top, but a lot of it went to the bottom. Okay. I'm gonna put a little white on. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna invite to this party. And we're just gonna kind of leave it like this. Some people have a lot of cells that'll come up. If it's a little thinner, I think sometimes it'll do that a little more. Let's I'm gonna layer a little, not really layer, but okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. I'm going to save some of that in case I want to dump it in. I mean, swirl a little bit on it a little bit. I think we'll hit it with the torch. See what that brings out. Woo. You can see how the black, because the black does not have any silicone or anything in it, so it's pretty light on the amount of cells you get, which is good because you don't want them everywhere. Or maybe you do, I don't, but so I've been having a good time taking, after I've stopped here, taking a little bit of this left over, and I'm gonna spin it on. Maybe I'll wait a few minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna see what shows up here first, and then decisions. So if I feel there's something I like and I'm about to lose it, I'll add more paint on in hopes that it doesn't roll into the canvas. Like if I wanted to save those little dots, I'd pour a little paint there, which I could have put a little, we'll just mix up a little bit, put a little white there maybe. But it's not really needed. Because this one, that side, oops, that wasn't what I planned on, but hey, it's not done yet anyway, so. The other day, I had a painting I loved, got all done, all the way done, and I had something, I was holding something above it, and some paint, and somehow it dripped right down on it, ruined it, because it really ruined it. It wasn't a very good idea. Okay, so I showed you what I was going to use to catch the paint, and I've set it somewhere weird. I guess it's just behind me. So I'm going to put this on there, try to catch some of the paint. Should we try to go this way a little bit? The other end sure is popping up. The middle part was roaming up there pretty fast. Oops. Just in case. Alright, I want to go that way a little bit, but man, look at how the other stuff is like racing around. I don't know if I want to take that chance of this over here. Look at it, what it caught. I kind of like this. I like the way it's. I just like what's going on in it. I'd like to bring that down a little more, but I don't want to lose this. Isn't that how this goes? I don't want to lose that, but I think what I'm going to do is take my leftovers and sprinkle a little bit in over here. I know it's a risk. Okay, here we go. Little bit, little bit. Don't ask me why. It's just a little different. A little bit more. Well, that's what you really don't want to happen, but hey, it happened, so we'll deal with it. Maybe I'll like it better. I can see this corner's got nothing. Ooh, a bunch of the corners are like, oh, we're bare. Cover me up. I like that. Actually, I like the lines on there. Right. What do you think? I like it. I'm going to call this one done. So, yeah. I know there'll be some of you that probably wouldn't want to go back in and pour the paint on. But, you know, if you have a really little dry spot, why not? Or if you just want to play and see if you can make it better. It doesn't hurt. I feel a couple of them I've done, I really like what they added. So, I like this a lot. I like that a lot. It's really kind of cool, all the different, look at how it's like coming way down. If I could, I would have brought these two in, this up more. You know, like if you do on your computer screen, and then made that a little smaller, but I can't do that. So, anyways, I'm wondering if I hit that little piece. Just hit a little bit with a little torch real quick. Just see if I get... I thought maybe you might see a whole bunch of cells pop up in it, but it didn't happen, which is okay. I'm good. What do you think? I'm going to call this one done. Anyways, I want to thank you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by.